Okay, I just want to show you guys. I had to wait until it got a little bit dark. I installed a Glowshift Tach or RPM gauge. I recorded the process, as far as the how to wire it up, and went through the basic other stuff that how to wire it up, to your the power source, or rather the signal to your coil. So your gauge gets a signal. But I fried my graphics card on my desktop a week or so back, so I'm waiting on a new one. Until I get that, I won't be able to physically edit any footage, so I'm gonna keep this one short. I just wanted to show you guys what the gauge looks like as it's getting dark. I'm gonna have to hold my phone though, because if I mount the phone in the usual spot, you won't actually be able to see the gauge from its perspective, because the steering wheel will be in the way. So I'm gonna physically hold the phone while we start the truck. Give it a few seconds, and I gotta turn my radio down, or the volume. It's crazy loud. Alright. I'll try to keep it steady. Yeah, we're right next to a Mexican spot. Hence the music. But yeah, I'm really digging the gauge. Looks really, really good. As soon as I get up to the stop sign, I'll stop recording, because I can't physically hold the phone with one hand and drive the ship with the other. So again, this is just a really quick preview, and I hope you guys are digging this look as much as I am. It is just temporarily mounted. I got other plans and all that, because I'll mount it better later on. But anyway, I hope you're digging this, and I'll see ya.